Good morning, class. My name is Harsha Jumnani. Today's date is 11 December 2020. This is class 11th. The period is second. The duration of the class is 35 minutes and I'll be teaching you commerce. So students, I am going to ask you few questions and if you know the answers, then give your answers in complete sentence. So the first question is, where do you go to buy clothes? Yes, we go to cloth shop to buy clothes. What happens at the cloth shop? The buying and selling of clothes takes place at the cloth shop. Is this buying and selling of clothes free of cost? No, the shopkeeper charges price for the same. What does the shopkeeper charges money? Why does the shopkeeper charges money? Because to earn profit. So, what is this activity of buying and selling clothes for money called? So, students, today we shall study about business. So, what do you understand by the term business? Meaning of business. Sorry, class. Any activity carried on primarily with the object of earning profit is achieved by production or exchange of wants satisfying goods and services. Therefore, business can be defined as any activity concerned with the production and exchange of wants satisfying goods and services with a view to earn profit. A person engaged in business is called businessman and the firm is known as business firm. The students tell me, what are the characteristics of business? The characteristics of business are as follows. The very first characteristic is sale and transfer or exchange. In the business, sale of the goods and services take place. The second is dealing in goods and services. In business, it is obviously we deal in the goods and services. The third characteristics, regular dealing, means one time buying or selling cannot be termed as business. In a business, regular dealing of the goods and services is compulsory. The fourth characteristic is profit motive. Business runs for the main purpose of earning profit. Fifth, risk. Without risk, no business is possible. In every kind of business, there is uncertainty or the involvement of risk. The sixth characteristic is investment required. In order to start a business, we require capital or money, funds. So the investment is very much to start a business. As you can see in this chart, deals in goods and services, sale or exchange of goods and services, regular exchange of goods and services, investment is required, the aim is to earn profit, risk and uncertainty of income involved. These are the characteristics of business. Now students, tell me, what are the objectives of business? The objectives of business are as follows. The very first objective is profit. The main purpose of the business is to earn profit. Without profit, no business can survive. The second objective is business should grow and prosper with times, means growth. Growth is very much compulsory. The third is service to society. Business aims at providing services to society. Service to society along with profit should be considered in business, which is related to the social responsibility of the business. The fourth objective is market leadership. Earning market leadership is another objective of business firm. Now students tell me what are business risk and the causes of this business risk. So business risk refers to possibility of inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties or unexpected events. There are some main causes of business risk. These are natural causes, human causes, economic causes, and other causes. Natural causes involve natural calamities like flood, earthquake, famine, etc. Human causes involve dishonesty, carelessness, negligence of employees. Economic causes involve demand for goods, competition, price, technological changes, etc. And other causes may be unforeseen events like political disturbances, mechanical failures, etc. Now, let's check how much have you learned. Define business. Business is any activity concerned with production or exchange of want satisfying goods and services with a view to earn profit. Very good. The second question is tell any one characteristics of business. The main characteristic of business is to earn profit or regular dealing. Tell any one objective of business. Among various objectives, the one objective is social responsibility. What is business risk? Business risk are the possibility of inadequate profit or even losses due to uncertainty or uncertain events. As we have discussed many causes of it. What are the natural causes of business risk? The natural causes of business risk may involve natural calamities like earthquake, flood, famines, etc. So, very good class, you have very well responded. Now, a review of knowledge. Match the following. A person engaged in business activity is known as businessman, which is C. Second, regular dealing in goods and services, not a single dealing. This is characteristic of business. The third is service to society is a objective of business. Fourth, dishonesty, negligence or carelessness are the part of human causes for business risk. Fifth, demand for goods, competition, price, technological changes are the economic cause for business risk. Now students, note down your homework. Take an example of business in your nearby vicinity and write down its characteristics, objectives and risk involved. Okay class, thank you so much.